Hello friends, welcome to our channel WaveTutorials and you are watching AngularJs full tutorial session. And also I request you to, if you have still not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe to it and don't forget to click on that notification bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video on this channel. Also, if you found the content of our video is valuable, then please like the video, and in case of any query you can write a comment in comment box. So let's start with today's session.
In this session, we will cover what is AngularJS, what's new in AngularJS 10, and introduction to previous version which is AngularJS 9. So let's move to the next slide. So let's discuss what AngularJS is. So AngularJS is an open source web application framework which was originally developed in 2009 and now it's maintained by Google. AngularJS is an application design framework and development platform for creating efficient and sophisticated single-page applications. It allows us to use HTML template to express our application components clearly. AngularJS provides us a complete client-side solution and handles all of our DOM and Ajax Glue code in a well-defined structure. AngularJS provides us everything whatever we need to build a crude application, which includes data binding, basic template directives, form validation, routing, reusable components, and dependency injections. It also allows us to unit test our code by end-to-end and mock testing. So let's discuss what's new in AngularJS 10. So AngularJS 10 has been released on June 24, 2020, although it may not appear as impactful as version 9 because version 9 comes with a major change which officially released IVY compiler. So we will discuss about what IVY compiler is in our next video. So in Angular 10, Angular Material includes a new date range picker. Also it enables strict mode in TypeScript while set up new project using command ngnew, the project name, and -- strict keyword. Angular made a few updates to the dependencies like TypeScript jumped to TypeScript 3.9, TSLib has been updated to version 2.0, and TSLint to VS6. So in Angular 10 it supports most of the major versions which are required to execute a project. Angular also updated the browser configurations for new projects. Angular team also fixed many issues across framework, tooling, and components. Angular team decreased the size of Angular packages and libraries to 119 downloads, and it also decreased the install time when we execute the command npm install. So let's move to the next slide. So in previous version AngularJS 9, Angular 9 was released in Feb 6, which moved all applications to use IVY compiler at runtime by default, which actually use AOT at runtime. So we will discuss about AOT in our next session. Also with Angular 9 release, this version has been updated to work with TypeScript 3.6 and 3.7, whereas Angular 10 has been updated to work with 3.9. So you can see here that the version 10 was released on June 24 and its active support will end on December 24 and its long-term support will end by December 24, 2021. So the Angular 9 whose active support ends on August 6, 2020 and its long-term support will be ended by August 6, 2021. So we have covered in this session about AngularJS 10, the new features in AngularJS 10, and something about the previous version which is AngularJS 9. If you have any query, you can just post a comment to me in comment box, or you can write to me at wavetutorials@outlook.com. My name is Naveen and thank you for watching this tutorial.